Hey y'all, so look, I wanted to come and show y'all. I have my Keswigs wig. I literally just put it back. Well, you know, I put it on or whatever. Look, I don't have any baby hair whatsoever. And this wig is like the lace. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. The lace on this wig is like really thin and the knots are like so small. So this right here is a density wig. The frontal is a full frontal, okay? Like, just look at that. And literally, guess what, y'all? I don't even have any glue on here. Like, it's glueless. See? Glueless, y'all. This wig is glueless. I don't have any glue on this wig right now. Like, guess what, you guys? I have a special code that I'm going to give all of y'all to take $150 off of your wig when you purchase from Keswigs, okay? The only way to go is Keswigs until I start selling hair. It's like, y'all, make sure y'all order from Keswigs.
Brag on me, tryna put a new on me. I'm so